Down in Oklahoma where the red dirt blows, everybody knew the cowboy they call Rose. A weathered hat, a smile carved by the sun, and a golden buckle earned, never won by love alone. He rode the roughest bulls from Tulsa down to Shining, held on through thunder with just one hand. Every arena echoed when they called his name. Every young cowboy dreamed of doing the same. He's the man with the golden buckle, king of rodeo lights, holding on through the dust and danger, turning fear into glory every night. When the chutes flew open and the crowd stood still, he rode like a legend and always will, from Oklahoma's plains to the Texas sky. The man with the golden buckle rides on tonight. They said old Black Thunder couldn't be rode, a bullet threw champions down the road. But 8 long seconds later, the crowd went wild as he tipped his hat and flashed that fearless smile. Through county fairs and bright arena signs, he left behind stories that outlived time. The old folks talked and the children stared, wondering how a man could ride without a care. He's the man with the golden buckle, king of rodeo lights, holding on through the dust and danger, turning fear into glory every night. When the chutes flew open and the crowd stood still, he rode like a legend and always will, from Oklahoma's plains to the Texas sky. The man with the golden buckle rides on tonight. Every town in it seemed to stop and look, like he stepped right out of a storybook. The girls would gather when he walked by, dreaming beneath those Oklahoma skies. But fame was never what he chased. It was a ride that challenged the race, a cowboy's heart and a restless soul, searching for one more bull to hold. He's the man with the golden buckle, the pride of Oklahoma's land, a rodeo